video real quick. I just listed a product today, and today is November the 20th, 2021. Just listed a product today, and I want to show you guys this method is exploding. First page of SEO search results, less than an hour. I'm not gonna sign in. As you can see, I'm not gonna sign in. I'm just gonna go straight to the word that I'm ranking for in the SEO search engine. So I'm gonna paste it in. And notice I pasted in this time with all pluses, and that kind of ensures the keyword go through that SEO has in the algorithm. So I'm gonna search for that, and I'm not signed in as I say, but I scroll down, and this is, like I say, less than an hour, folks. Basically, I did a little tweaking to it, and less than an hour, I was coming up on the front page right here, right here. But this is an ad. I did run an ad with this, and the trick is I want to let you know uh, the method that I used, and I used $1 just to see what would happen with this method using Etsy paid ads. Also, in $1, and I can go ahead and shut that off right now. So I might have maybe spent 25 cents or less, and I'm on the front page of Etsy right now for this ranking right here. If I can click to it, I'll show you that it's really me. Trendsetters right there, and I'm not logged in. As you can see, I'm not logged in, but I'm on the front page, first page of Etsy search results, less than 1 hour. It keeps getting better and better, so I'm hoping for the money to start rolling in. It's on the front page, so I'm just gonna leave it up for a while and see what it does. And I might come back, I might drop the price a little bit, or if it starts selling real fast, I might up the price for a while. But I just wanted to show you guys this is the first page of Etsy search results, and I'm not signed in. First page, less than 1 hour. This has been added. It doesn't show you where or when it was added up on the site, but today for sure, less than an hour. It's up there, and it's 28 sales. That comes from the shop. That is not the duffel bag. That comes from the shop. So this hasn't even sold anything today. So $155 for sale. First page of Etsy, less than an hour. So if you want this type of training, please click the link in the description below and go to the website, sign up, and get this training, because it's the best thing going, the quickest way to get into the search results with Etsy, and the quickest way to make money. So I'll see you on the next video.